Welcome to the workout. This is a quick 5-minute abs and core workout that you can do anytime you want to get a quick ab workout in. No equipment needed, but we will be on the floor today, so you'll need a mat, a towel, or some clear space on the floor. For the format of this workout, we have 5 exercises, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, then we are done. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and turn to your side. We are starting in 10 seconds with a negative crunch. This is one of my favorites. Feet stay glued to the floor, hands at your center of your chest. We're gonna lean back, hold for just a count, and then bring it back up. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Lean back, exhale, and bring it up. So with the negative crunch, the abs are really working to stop us from tapping our backs to the floor, resisting that momentum, and then bringing us back up to a seated position. So this is good for working those deep core muscles. It's also a good way to work up to a full crunch, and it's very easy to adjust this one to your fitness level. So you can either increase or decrease your range of motion. Just remember, we're not tapping our back onto the floor. Last 8. Use your breath. We have 3, 2, 1, rest. Go ahead and come all the way down onto your back. We're bringing the knees into a tabletop position, 90 degrees, pointing the toes, hands behind the head. You're either lowering one foot at a time to the floor or lowering both feet down. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Lower down and lift. So again, we are crunching the shoulders just slightly off of the floor. And you have the option to stay there, or any kind of issues with the neck or the head, if it feels uncomfortable at all, just set your head down, bring the hands to the outside of the hips. Again, lowering either one foot at a time or both feet at the same time. 15 more seconds here. Think about pressing your low back into the floor here. Last 8. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Hug those knees in. Quick little breather here. We're gonna bring those feet down to the floor, and we have a modified bicycle. Hands behind the head, lifting opposite elbow to knee. Option to go into a full bicycle to advance it. 3, 2, 1, twist and crunch. So bring your elbow to the outside of the opposite knee here. If you don't fully have that range of motion yet, that is okay. Do the best you can, whatever you're working with today. And again, you have the option to go into a full bicycle here to modify. I'm gonna stick, or to advance it, I'm gonna stick with the modified version for now. Well, actually for this entire 15 seconds. I'm gonna be here the whole rest of the time. Again, do what feels best for you. Your body, your workout. We have 8. Final 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Shake it out again. Hug those knees into the chest if you need to. Last couple exercises here. We are coming into, I don't have a great name for this, so I'm just gonna show you. Legs come up, hands behind the head. We lower one leg, reach the other hand to the other foot, bring it back in and switch. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Crunch and twist, and up. Sometimes it's hard to come up with a name for an exercise when there's so many different things happening. This one's like a leg lower, but it's also an opposite elbow, or not opposite elbow, opposite hand to foot reach. We're also kind of crunching here. So there's not really like a nice, cute name for that, you know what I mean? 15 more seconds, and then we rest. Just one more move to go after this. Last 8. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Hug those knees in. We are going to finish up with everyone's favorite exercise, a plank. Go ahead and bring it up. Turn into your plank position, either a plank on the knees or a plank on the toes. 3, 2, and 1. Find your plank position. So shoulders above the wrists, fingers nice and wide, whether you're on the knees or not. We're gonna stay here for about 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna lower down onto the forearms. We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down to the forearms. Again, option to come to the knees at any time. Beautiful. We're going to press back onto the hands in 3, 2, 1. Press it up and hold. Nice, we're gonna do that one more time. Final 10 seconds. We're on the forearms and we're tipping the hips side to side. 3, 2, 1, lower down, tip the hips, final 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Walk it back, sit it for a child's pose, walk those hands away. Deep breaths in and out. And release. Come down to a tabletop position, carefully lower down onto your belly. Hands to the outside of the chest, inhale. Exhale, press it up for a cobra stretch. Option to look over one shoulder and then the other. Deep inhale. Exhale, one more child's pose. Again, walk those fingertips away from you. And release. Awesome job today. I hope you enjoyed that quick ab workout. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, subscribe for more workouts just like this one, and I will see you in the next one.